Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my roasted chicken and potatoes. So let's cook. So here I have a 6-pound chicken, and I've already washed and dried it. And what you want to do is just slice down the breastbone like this until you expose that bone. And then you're going to slice down. Like that. And you just want to turn your chicken over. You just want to press down on that chicken just like that, so that your chicken will lay flat out like this. Now I have my bowl here, and I'm going to put my chicken in my bowl, and I'm going to wash my hands. So I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil on top of my chicken like that. And that's about 2 tablespoons. And that's going to help my seasoning to stick. Next I'm going to add about a tablespoon of smoked paprika, some sazon complete, and that's about a tablespoon as well. Some seasoned salt. And that's about a tablespoon. I have some fresh thyme here, and I'm just gonna pour some of that fresh thyme off of the stem like that. You can use dry thyme if you want. And that's about 5 sprigs of thyme right there. Now I'm going to add in some fresh cracked pepper. And I'm going to grate in about 2 large fresh pieces of garlic. Next I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of onion powder as well. And you're going to go ahead and mix this up. And you want to make sure you're rubbing this all over your chicken, the front and the back, underneath of the wings. You want to get under that skin in the breast and push it up inside of that, all on the sides of the insides of the thighs, even down inside of the chicken leg as well. Here I have some red skin potatoes that I've rinsed and dried, and what you want to do is go ahead and cut these in half. I'm going to put each cut one back into that bowl, because we're going to use that bowl. Now that our potatoes are cut up, I'm just going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil on top. And I'm just going to kind of mimic the same seasonings, but I'm going to use about a half a tablespoon of seasoned salt, half a tablespoon of sazon complete. I'm going to grate up 1 large garlic, 2 large sprigs of thyme, half a tablespoon of smoked paprika, and a half a tablespoon of onion powder. And I'm just going to mix this in. And you want to make sure you're coating these potatoes really well. So I've put my chicken on my baking sheet here, and whatever seasons and oils you have left in your pan, you want to make sure you dump that back onto the top of your chicken and just rub it on the top. So now I'm just going to go in with my potatoes. And when you're putting your potatoes in, you want to make sure that they're cut side down. That way this side will get nice and brown and crispy. I'm going to go ahead and put this in the oven on 400 degrees and let this bake for about an hour and 10 minutes, or until your temperature reaches 165 in the breast. Okay guys, so our chicken is finished cooking, and it cooked for about an hour and 15 minutes. So now I'm just going to cover it with some aluminum foil just to keep it warm and to let the juices soak back into the chicken. So I'm gonna let this sit for about 15 minutes. All right guys, so I just plated up my chicken, and I'm just gonna put a little parsley on top just to add some brightness and some freshness to my chicken. And that's it guys. That's how I make my baked chicken. Now I'm just gonna cut a piece of this breast off so you guys can just see how juicy this chicken breast is. And there you can just see those juices just dripping out. This chicken is so moist and juicy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.